Welcome to Haven and Green, where timeless design meets everyday inspiration. Today, we're exploring a space that proves great design is never defined by size, trends, or price. It's about creating an environment that feels welcoming, balanced, and filled with personality. Every thoughtful detail contributes to a place that is both beautiful and comfortable, turning ordinary moments into memorable experiences. As you enjoy these inspiring visuals, notice how natural textures, warm colors, and carefully chosen materials work together to create harmony. The secret to an inviting outdoor space isn't simply adding more elements, it's selecting pieces that complement one another and allowing every feature to have room to shine. Simplicity often creates the strongest impression, especially when paired with timeless design principles. Lighting also plays a remarkable role in transforming any setting. As sunlight shifts throughout the day, surfaces, greenery, and architectural details take on new character. Gentle shadows, warm highlights, and soft reflections bring depth and atmosphere, making even the simplest space feel elegant and relaxing. It's these subtle changes that create a sense of comfort and lasting beauty. Another important element is balance. Combining natural materials with clean lines creates a look that feels sophisticated without appearing overwhelming. Whether it's wood, stone, gravel, greenery, or handcrafted accents, every texture contributes to a layered design that feels authentic and welcoming. The goal is not perfection, but creating a space that invites people to slow down and enjoy the moment. Thoughtful layouts make every area feel more functional and connected. Open spaces encourage conversation, comfortable seating invites relaxation, and carefully placed greenery softens the surroundings while adding life and freshness. Even the smallest design decisions can make a significant difference in how a space looks and feels. Nature has always been one of the greatest design partners. Plants, flowers, trees, and natural landscapes bring movement, color, and seasonal beauty that no manufactured material can truly replace. Blending architecture with nature creates environments that remain timeless and enjoyable throughout the year. Great design also evolves over time. Small improvements, meaningful details, and personal touches gradually transform a space into something truly unique. Rather than chasing every new trend, focusing on quality, comfort, and harmony results in spaces that continue to inspire for years to come. Whether you're gathering with family, spending quiet moments outdoors, or simply searching for fresh ideas, beautiful design has the power to elevate everyday living. Inspiration often comes from the simplest concepts, thoughtfully combined to create something extraordinary. Thank you for spending time with Haven and Green. We hope these ideas inspire your next project and encourage you to see new possibilities in every space. If you enjoyed this journey through beautiful design and timeless outdoor living, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Haven and Green, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest inspiration. We'll see you again soon with more stunning homes, gardens, and creative design ideas. Until next time, keep creating spaces that bring beauty, comfort, and joy into everyday life.